धर्मराज, यह भूमि किसी की नहीं, क्रीत है, दासी है। जन्मना समान परस्पर इसके सभी निवासी। धर्मराज, this land is not bought by anyone, it is a slave, all its residents are equal by birth. Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitamaha tells Dharmaraj, Yudhishthir, that no one buys this land. All the residents living on this land have equal rights by birth. This land is completely independent. सबको मुक्त प्रकाश चाहिए, सबको मुक्त समीरण, बाधा रहित विकास, मुक्त आशंकाओं से जीवन. Everyone needs free light, free air, development without obstacles, and life free from fears. Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitama says to Dharmaraj that every person needs equal light and air. The development of their life should be without obstacles, without difficulties, and free from doubts or suspicions. लेकिन विघ्न अनेक अभी इस पथ पर अड़े हुए हैं, मानवता की राह रोककर पर्वत अड़े हुए हैं. But many obstacles are still standing in the way, mountains are standing in the way of humanity. Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitama says to Dharmaraj that many obstacles are standing in the way of the development of this land. All residents are not getting equal rights. Many obstacles like society, different castes, classes, religion, caste, etc. are standing in the way of humanity in human life. न्यायोचित सुख सुलभ नहीं, जब तक मानव को चैन कहा, धरती पर तब तक शांति कहाँ इस भव को? Justifiable happiness is not available till every human being has no peace on earth. How will this world have peace? Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitama tells to Dharmaraj that till the human beings living on this earth do not get the comforts and facilities according to justice, how will they have peace, and this world will not get peace? If peace and tranquility is to be brought to this earth, then it is necessary to provide justifiable comforts and facilities to all human beings. जब तक मनुज का यह सुख भाग नहीं सम होगा, शमित न होगा, कोलाहल संघर्ष नहीं कम होगा. Till every human being has equal share of happiness, noise will not be calmed down, conflict will not be reduced. Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitama preaches to Dharmaraj and says that, till there is no happiness or equality in human life, there will be unrest and restlessness in the mind of man. Till the time the resources of nature are not available equally to everyone, the struggle of humanity against injustice or hatred will not decrease. उसे भूल वह फंसा परस्पर ही शंका में, भय में, लगा हुआ केवल अपने में, और भोग संचय में. Forgetting that, he is trapped in mutual doubt and fear, engaged only in self and accumulation of pleasures. Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitama preaches to Dharmaraj and says that man has forgotten his duties and has been trapped in the web of doubt. Out of fear, he is seen engaged in the collection of objects of pleasure to increase his strength and valor. Man has become so selfish that he is no longer concerned with other residents of this earth. In such a situation, it is not possible to imagine peace. प्रभु के दिए हुए सुख इतने हैं, विकीर्ण धरती पर, भोग सके जो उन्हें जगत में, कहाँ अभी इतने नर? There are so many pleasures given by God on this earth, where are so many men in the world who can enjoy them? Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitamaha, while preaching to Dharmaraj, says that the infinite store of pleasures given by God is spread everywhere on earth. If man understands the importance of these pleasures and uses them properly, then even if all the people on earth enjoy these pleasures, they will not be able to finish them. सब हो सकते तुष्ट एक साथ सब सुख पा सकते हैं, चाहे तो पल में धरती को स्वर्ग बना सकते हैं. All can be satisfied equally, all can get pleasure if we want, we can make the earth a heaven in a moment. Meaning, in the above lines, Bhishma Pitamaha, while preaching to Dharmaraj, says that God has given man an infinite store of pleasures on this earth, with which all the people on earth can be completely satisfied. Selfish nature has made man an opportunist. If these pleasures are consumed equally, then everyone can enjoy and be satisfied. If man wants, he can make the earth a heaven with the feeling of cooperation and coordination. Dear students, if you found this explanation helpful, please share this video with your friends so they can also benefit from it. I've included links to summaries of other lessons in the description. Be sure to check those out as well. For more lesson explanations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.